So this line, I just fixed is from the hydraulic station together with the controller box. 第二根线是
那个壳拿走啊，那个壳抓上。哦，在机器上面是吧？
This controller box, normally you have to fix this box together with the block machine.
哎，装这里来，用。这弦子出来了，
可以慢一点，可以慢一点啊。啊，先别往出，先别往出，你先安上，你先安上。啊，先安上。
看那个。
You remove only one, only this one.
And the second step is for you. You have to fix this electric box onto the block machine. 这个线是接感应器的，这里吗？And also you see the location inside this box is for connecting the sensors. The wire location is for connecting the sensors, electric sensor. Later I will show you how to fix the sensor at the right location. Okay.
这打的紧一点的。
哦。
这人穿了，这人穿特别舒服。
我底下穿。行，咱开空气去啊。哦。
这上泥还是两螺丝。好的。
And you have to use the winch, this winch, right, to fix it and tie it, unless the box cannot be moved, right? Okay. Okay. So you remove this line just like the first one. This cable and follow inside, right? And follow. It's a little longer, but because the controller box is not is fixed a little far from this box. Okay, fine. And lock it, right? So now it's locked. This one is open, right? Now this cable, right? 闭眼睛，走。This cable will be same in this direction, and also at the left side is the narrow one, and on the right side is the wide one. So this direction should be correct. If you do this,